Welcome to another edition of the Smart Budget channel, and today we're going to be exploring home security. I found these window and door alarm device at the Dollar Tree for $1, batteries included. Open this up. Comes with instructions in the back. This takes 3 LR44 batteries. Double stick tape on the back. I would recommend putting a little dab of super glue just to secure it better. I'd make sure the area is clean and dry before you install this on a window or door. It's got your on and off switch. As you can see, you got your marker here on your main device. You want to line that up with your arrow. When the magnets break apart, you get your alarm. Now, is this loud? I would recommend that if you had nothing else to secure your home, to at least use these. I know someone that had this on their window and they were trying to get in at night and it woke them up. So I would say it is loud enough to wake you up. The only thing is, every at least 6 months, I'd switch out the batteries. If you have any questions or comments about the window/door alarm, please leave it in the comment below. Thank you.